XOX with me, Captain Ahmed XOX, me Yasin XOX.
Look,
And
it's
to tell you,
flashing now.
yeah, to tell you that this is now our room. You know that used to be our room. Now we moved. Here's the TV Ahmed was watching. Here we have the TV, our new bed. And to tell you, there's something cray going outside. It is stormy, rainy, lightning, thunder. Look, and just to tell, look, to just zoom in. Into
Look at that car.
Look at how flooded. Earlier there was lots of ice. Now it looks like it melted.
But guys, look at that car. That car cannot do a parking.
Look at that.
Wait, maybe the rain pushed it.
Look at the trees go.
Oh my gosh!
And yeah.
And
This
look
is
at my
what's
mom's
happening
garden
right
there.
now at Qatar.
Look at my mom's
And
garden.
we are at
so
Qatar.
wet.
And we are at Qatar, not Sudan, not any country. This is Qatar. We haven't had a weather like this for a long time, right, Yasin?
Yeah. No, we didn't. That came in 4 in a row days.
Yeah, the first day it was just stormy, sandstormy. The second day, I don't remember. You can even hear the ice. That's thunder and lightning. I can hear the ice. I have a feeling our rooftop is like flooded. So yeah.
Maybe one of there, or maybe that castle they're making. Oh my! Ice! I just. Uma!
So guys,
Maybe that castle will break. And then they.
did you just see that lightning up there? Guys, comment down below if you saw that lightning up there. Like
Yeah.
it was there. So guys, oh, there's one right there as well. There's ice here coming.
What?
It's hailing right here. There's ice.
I really want to ice now.
It's going crazy.
Oh, there's ice here.
I'm supposed to
Wait,
do
no.
my homework, but I can't do it in the storm. It's too annoying, and I need a rebook. So yeah.
Whoa, what is it?
So guys, thanks for watching.
That was fast 52.
Yeah, I don't care. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notification, comment down below if you saw those lightnings. So tell us how many did you see. And goodbye.